I like to turn now to the object which is the main point of this talk, the helix. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many parts of our life. Movement, the natural world, the manufactured world, and our genetic makeup are all connected to the shape of the helix. A helix is the type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylindrical shape in the form of a spiral, like a curved coil or a spiral staircase. The helix is a very popular shape in nature because it is very compact. In fact, helix are sometimes referred to as natural space shaper. In architecture too, the helix shape of a spiral staircase is an attractive option in buildings where space is very restricted. The most renowned type of helix is probably the double helix of DNA. Although ribonucleic acid, DNA is made of two helix that curve around each other. A bit like a twist letter, DNA contains the genetic information or code that determines the development and function of all known living things. The helix shape is a very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in the limited space of cell. There are different types of helices. Helices can twist clockwise, right-handed, or anti-clockwise, left-handed. An interesting experiment is to hold a clockwise helix. Such a clockwise up to a mirror the clockwise helix efforts to become counterclockwise. We can perceive examples of helices in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cable crow, and ropes can be right-handed or of left-handed helices. A helix, a helix that coils around a cone is called a conical helix. Example of conical helix, the spiral or the famous spiral ram designed by the architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helices are also prevalent in the natural world, the horn of a curtain animals, pterosaurs, shells, and the structure of plants. Flower and leaf can all contain helices. The human umbilical cord is in fact a triple helix, with the discovery that the helix is the shape of the DNA molecule. It is not surprising that the helix is found in so many areas. It is one of the most natural shapes in nature. Let's turn our attention now to the mathematical definition of the helix. You'll need a pen and paper for the next part of the talk as I am going to give you some variables to write down. Take your time to notice the difference.